to show you how to book Anmeldung appointment in Germany. Like this is an essential part if you have any plan to coming in Germany, or like you are already in Germany, to access all other services like bank account and a social security number, tax ID and everything. You need to like this is a must-have document. This is essential. I can say this is starting point. So how to book an appointment to get that Anmeldung. So type on the search bar Wohnung Anmelden in Berlin. It will automatically appear on your search bar. So click on the first URL and scroll a bit to location of the registration office. So these are all the registration office. You need to click one of these. Like I'm going to click on this. So there's a bunch of location. I need to click at one suburb. So just tick one of these box according to your locations and according to your preferences, which is comfortable to you, and click on all the way bottom. You need to come down and click on this box. So not working, just click here. This page is not in English, so if you are not familiar with the German, you can use just extension for the translation like this. It will convert in the English language. So it will take you directly to the available date, like 16th of June is available date. I need to click here and just tick on this box, security check, and show the appointments location. So all these are the appointment locations and the time for the 16th of June, and you can click one of these as per your preferences, I mean as per your time. So I'm going to click on the Yorkstrasse, Kreuzberg, Bürgeramt 1. This is a prime time, so it will take a time. So this is the thing. This is a little form, and you need to fill all these boxes like carefully, because it will give you a number which will appear on the Bürgeramt office on the big screen with the room number, and you need to follow that. The room number, there's a representative which can help you to get your Anmeldung done, but the Anmeldung will be done only when you have the contract which is provided by your landlord or your landlady. So you need to get this document as soon as possible if you want to do this thing on the time. So I can say I'm just filling my name here and your email address, and confirmation of the email address, and your phone number. Now if you want to evaluate the Bürgeramt service or the representative service, you need to check this box and just click here and click on the red button. Wait for the confirmation. Oh, it's done. So it will show you directly on your mail. One of the confirmation you will get on the mail, and the confirmation is here, and they will send you one OTP, I mean one-time password, and you need to fill this here for the confirmation verification. Just check your mail. There must be a OTP. And when you fill this OTP here in the box, and then your confirmation is done. Like, yes, I got this. So FB915, yeah, and you verified, yeah, it's done. Now this is the number 171854. The same number will appear on the Bürgeramt screen, and with the room number, and you need to follow the same room number, and you meet with the one of the representative who will ask you the contract which is provided by, as I told you, from your landlady or your landlord, and then the Anmeldung is done. Congratulations. So thank you so much. If you want more information like this, follow. Thanks. Have a nice day.